Hey everyone, Stylus here, and I'm currently at Fun Spot Kissimmee. What I have right here is the Mind Blower roller coaster that is currently closed as it is getting a major retrack, or as I like to say, some RMZ track. I've just moved down to Florida, decided to make myself a short little visit here, so I'm going to see what has been going on with Mind Blower. So this area is closed off, closed for refurbishment. Sorry for the inconvenience. That's okay. And I think this was just today, but looks like they have placed a new track onto the drop. That I believe was probably the roughest section of the ride, at least in my eyes, when I experienced it before they got the new track. It's going from nasty to amazing. Hopefully amazing. There's also this thing here, not sure what it's used for, but I think I'm gonna see if I can go on the other side of Mind Blower and see if there's anything that happens over there. Okay, as I walk right over, there is track on the parking lot. Get up nice and close to it. And over here too, carpenter wood, more RMC track. It'd be cool to see it too. And I can hear some work being done on the turnaround section right here. It's another part of the ride that is known for being ridiculously rough. Love how you can get nice and close to it. Looks pretty rusty too. Here we got labels. I have not seen this before, but we got hurricane trains underneath Mind Blower. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but it's pretty cool. If you look over there, there's Mind Blower's trains. And then there is the station, which I think has Mind Blower trains also. I'm not quite sure yet. Here you can get a good glimpse of that new RMC track cresting out of the drop. Love that. Some more here. And it ends somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Yes, ends somewhere right around here. Where it goes right into the zero-G roll. Here you can see on this final turn. And then there's also truck work being done on that pop-up air here, and also that little pop going into the final brakes. Great work, gentlemen. All right, everyone. So I think that does it for some Retrack construction update on Mind Blower here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. So hopefully they can get this ride back open sometime around midsummer. I think that pretty much does it for the construction update of Mind Blower. If I missed anything, let me know down in the comments down below. Admittedly, I've actually never done construction update videos before, so this is my first time I ever got to do one, and that was really cool. I hope you all enjoyed this video, because if you did, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.